Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm gonna unbox the BNT solar lights. Alright, this is IP66 waterproof and dustproof solar lights, and it comes with a manual and alright, comes with a template for installation. Thank you card, and I think that's it. Thank you card, the warning sticker, and the installation screw. Alright, and this is the user's guide. Let's put this one right here. Okay, it comes with the Allen wrench tool, and of course the solar light. Alright, the solar light BNT, it uses 18.6 50 3.7 1500 milliamps volts. Alright guys, this is the solar panel, the light itself. So it comes with this 8 LED lights and the motion sensor. Okay, so this can install about 10 feet in height, and detection angle is about 120 degrees, and it can detect within 20 feet. So I just want to add that information, and I'm gonna turn off the lights and let's see how bright it is. The power on is basically located here on the solar panel, and right now that's how bright it is. Alright guys, so this is the sample light. So it's really bright. See you guys on my next video. If you like this, please like, I do appreciate that, and share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't so, and then hit the bell button so you can be notified when I upload the new videos. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.